Jennifer Aniston, the beloved actress who captured hearts worldwide as Rachel Green on Friends, has long been admired not only for her timeless beauty, but also for her glowing health and vitality. Behind her radiant skin and toned physique lies a thoughtful and balanced approach to food and wellness. Jennifer sees eating as more than just nourishment. It's a way to honor her body and mind. In her own words, "I don't believe in diets. I believe in listening to your body." For Jennifer, food is a form of self-care, a daily ritual that combines pleasure and nutrition. She advocates for a lifestyle where balance and moderation are key, steering clear of extremes and fads. This philosophy resonates in both her personal life and her demanding career, where staying energized and healthy is non-negotiable. Jennifer's wellness journey has been shaped by trial, error, and an evolving understanding of what works for her. Early in her career, she experimented with various popular diets, including intermittent fasting and gluten-free eating, aiming to find the sweet spot between health and enjoyment. She has shared in interviews that at one point, she tried veganism motivated by environmental and health reasons. However, she found that a strictly vegan diet did not fully align with her body's needs, especially given her active lifestyle. Instead, she learned that flexibility and personal adaptation mattered most. Jennifer's past diets taught her that sustainable health isn't about strict rules, but about honoring individual needs, a lesson she embraces fully today. As she told Shape magazine, "I've learned to trust my body more and not obsess over every calorie." Today, Jennifer Aniston's daily eating habits reflect her balanced food philosophy, nourishing yet enjoyable. Her mornings often begin with a nutrient-rich breakfast designed to fuel her for the day ahead. A favorite is avocado toast topped with a sprinkle of chili flakes or a bowl of organic oatmeal mixed with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Lunch tends to be light but protein-packed, often a grilled chicken salad with kale, quinoa, and a lemon tahini dressing. She favors whole, unprocessed foods, focusing on quality rather than quantity. Snacks might include almonds, Greek yogurt, or fresh fruit, helping maintain steady energy levels without feeling deprived. Dinner is typically lean and wholesome, grilled fish or turkey, alongside roasted vegetables and sweet potatoes. Jennifer emphasizes hydration, drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and occasionally enjoying herbal teas or coconut water to replenish electrolytes. Supplements are part of her routine, too. She has mentioned taking collagen peptides to support skin health, alongside a multivitamin and omega-3 fatty acids to maintain overall wellness. Preparing for physically demanding roles or intense workout routines requires Jennifer to dial in her nutrition strategically. When training for the morning show or other projects, she collaborates with nutritionists to adjust her macronutrients, balancing proteins, fats, and carbohydrates to support muscle recovery and energy. During these phases, her meals become more regimented, often consisting of smaller, frequent portions timed around her workouts. She avoids heavy or greasy foods before training and leans into complex carbs like brown rice and leafy greens for sustained stamina. Jennifer once shared with Men's Health that preparation is key, not just mentally, but nutritionally too. She makes conscious choices about meal timing and portion control to stay strong and focused on set. Despite her disciplined approach, Jennifer Aniston is a firm believer in indulgence without guilt. She enjoys cheat meals as an essential part of maintaining balance, moments when she can savor rich, flavorful dishes that remind her of home and happiness. One of her favorites is a classic Italian pasta dish, a nod to her love for comfort food that is both nostalgic and satisfying. Jennifer has also expressed her fondness for pizza nights and occasionally treats herself to desserts like dark chocolate or homemade cookies. Her approach to cravings is intuitive. Rather than suppressing desires, she embraces them mindfully, knowing that this fosters a healthy relationship with food. "Life is about balance. I'm not about depriving myself," she told Vogue. Jennifer incorporates several unique habits into her daily routine that reflect her holistic view of wellness. One standout ritual is her evening detox routine, which often includes a glass of warm lemon water to aid digestion and promote calm before bed. She has spoken about the importance of mindful eating, slowing down to truly taste and enjoy her meals, a practice that fosters gratitude and connection to the food. This mindfulness extends to her hydration habits. She is diligent about drinking water regularly, often flavored with cucumber or mint for added freshness. Another interesting habit Jennifer follows is limiting heavy meals late at night. usually avoiding food 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, allowing her digestive system to rest. Jennifer Aniston's journey with food is one marked by growth, self-compassion, and wisdom. Over the years, she has moved away from rigid diets and perfectionism towards an approach grounded in listening, adapting, and celebrating her body's needs. She often encourages fans and followers to seek their own balance and avoid the trap of comparison or extreme restrictions. Your body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another, she advises. Her message is clear. Food should nourish not just the body, but also the soul. In reflecting on her relationship with nutrition, Jennifer shares, "It's taken time to understand that health is a lifestyle, not a sprint. It's about making choices that feel good physically and emotionally." Jennifer Aniston's diet and nutrition habits illustrate a compelling story of balance, mindfulness, and authenticity. Her food philosophy, rooted in listening to her body, savoring wholesome meals, and allowing space for indulgence, offers a refreshing contrast to the often extreme diets portrayed in Hollywood. Her approach embodies a modern wellness ideal. Health is holistic, adaptable, and joyful. For fans and wellness enthusiasts alike, Jennifer serves as a role model for how to nurture body and mind through thoughtful, intentional eating. As Jennifer once beautifully put it, eating well is not about perfection. It's about feeling good, being kind to yourself, and enjoying the journey.